Hello everybody, welcome back to tools4guys.com. Today in the demonstration, myself Ruben, this is my son Jason. We have my two 24 volt Kobalt, sorry about that, Kobalt. I have my impact driver. Jason, what do you have? Oh,
No.
Sorry, I got my drill.
I'm sorry. My dad is a little bit older in age, so he's got the drill and I've got the impact driver.
Drill, baby, drill. You know, that's what they say in Texas. All right, so today's demonstration with the use of a few adapters, by the way. Ryobi's got a real nice kit for $12.97 that I bought at Home Depot. And got these little adapters that we use for the sockets. So I put one adapter there in my drill. Jason has one for his impact driver. And we're just going to demonstrate the difference in power between a 24 volt drill, which is pretty powerful, and the 24 volt impact driver.
Impact!
Drill, baby, drill.
Wait.
You ready, Jason?
Mark,
Here we
set, go.
And there you have it. My drill just couldn't do it, baby. Sorry about that.
Impact!
And that's how much the difference in power is in driving this 1/4-inch bolt. See what I'm doing? Welcome back, everybody, to tools4guys.com. Jason, my son, myself, Ruben. We did a video clip just recently, and we're just following up on that video clip to tell you or show you or demonstrate that the 24 volt drill, although not as powerful as the impact driver, which we showed on that last video clip, is still a very powerful drill. So at this point, we're going to screw some fasteners in, the 3-inch.
3-inch fasteners.
And we're going to start. When Jason says go, we're gone.
Ready, set, go.
There you have it. 3-inch fasteners like if it was butter, baby, butter.
All right.
Y'all take care now.